In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to download Ableton on Mac. So let's get started. Now just go ahead to your web browser and search up Ableton download. Here you're going to click on the first link and make sure that you're going on their official website, which is ableton.com. Now once you're on their web page, what you're going to do is you're going to obviously just go to their website. From here you're going to click on this thing which says try live 12 for free. Now once you go there, you can see this option to download it. Okay, now before downloading, I would recommend you to read this first. Okay, so obviously you first need a macOS 11 which is updated, so make sure that the software updates are done. To see that, you can just go to system settings, go to software updates, and make sure that you've updated it to the max. Yeah, then obviously it works with Intel as well. Then make sure that you have approximately 5.7 GB disk space, because that is basically the installation recommended. So now if I go ahead and click on download, so macOS download, you guys can see that it is 5 GB for me. So make sure that you have 5 GB, but obviously 8 GB is recommended. And once you download, you can obviously avail your free trial for 30 days. But suppose you've purchased it before, all you have to do is to log in into your account. So once you've downloaded this app right here, in the app you can just log in with the account that you have purchased this app on or purchased a subscription on, and it should give you unlimited access. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.